Good morning, everyone. My name is Riccardo Sammartini, and I am a technician from PR Rubino. After watching our tutorial about EasyOpen openable couplings, let's now look at a practical example. A customer of ours working in the food industry needed to transport pizzas along a conveyor towards the filling area, along a 78.74-inch wide conveyor belt. This process is normally carried out with closed-loop conveyor belts, installed by professional technicians. The installation involved a production stoppage of around 8 hours, during which they took advantage to carry out extraordinary machinery maintenance, with the consequent need of sanitation and removal of waste products which ended up inside it. A further problem were the long production stoppages for belt replacement and the consequent interruption of the whole production process. The customer need was to eliminate all the stoppages and proceed with ordinary maintenance cycles and sanitation, without waiting for the belt to wear out before proceeding with the sanitation. The solution proposed was to install our EasyOpen opening couplings. Thanks to their simplified opening, our customer would have been able to remove and refit the belt for machine sanitation in a normal way. Moreover, the repositioning of the conveyor belt would take up only 1 hour of stoppage time, and the machine could restart without excessive production losses. In addition, we installed a Blätter Food antibacterial belt, which, thanks to its characteristic polyurethane compound, would reduce to a minimum the bacterial count which normally develops during the transportation of loose food. Results obtained: production stoppages reduced to a minimum, fast replacement, machinery sanitation, a belt meeting antibacterial standards, a product with certificate of suitability for contact with foodstuffs. Today, to our great satisfaction, our customer decided to change the stock of belts for his machinery with our products. Thank you for your attention. For further information, please refer to our website, prrubino.it, clicking on EasyOpen Opening Couplings.